Good day, friends! Today Trem and I glad to present you new child railroad, famous BRIO train. It's remote control train set. You ask me, what interesting in this train? I speak you. Wood's rails in the set. Oh, Trayman here! Hello, Trayman!
Hello, boys and girls! Nice to see you! BRIO! I have long dream about it!
Me too, Trayman. You can see that is BRIO train work on batteries and contain 21 pieces in box.
21 pieces? Many!
I see so much, Trayman. But in this BRIO set we have remote control. It will be fun! Let's see what's inside this box.
Yes, do it, friend! I want watch into company. Guys, you with me?
This is a manual. It shows different builder place sets, addiction, age of children.
I want to play all of this. Let's do it!
I think that it will be great for you. And it is game of battery place. Next, let's see on the components.
Let's go! I'm already intolerant.
Look, Trayman, it's railroad switch on paperboard stand. Stop! Inside another pieces, traffic sign. Great!
For what it used? Tell me.
Of course, Trayman. Traffic sign show you attention. Railroad switch change way of roads on another.
Now I understand. Thank you, friend. What is it? I can't make out.
Train carriage train. Now you make.
Yes, but for what it?
First carriage concurrent mixer with rotate part. Another with concurrent container.
Whee! Rotate! That's great!
And now train. Green Trayman. How you like?
Green color! Like grass in front of my house.
Forget say it, Trayman. This train and carriages connect with magnetic mount.
Magnetic? Oh!
I think... How do you think? What is this, Trayman?
What? You are funny! It's gas station!
Gas station. Well, of course. So now let's see on the main distribution feature of this railroad, wooden rails.
Wood? It produced from wood?
Yes, in another roads rails makes from plastic, but in BRIO, wooden. It all roads of our box set. From it we can make great road Trayman.
Let's do this! I go to my tools from job.
Trayman, Do you know where was built first railroad in history? I don't know.
No. Wait, I'd read about it in my book. First railroad in the world was built in England in 1825. The creator of it was George Stephenson, between two cities, Stockton and Darlington, and was stretching for 26 miles. But in United States, roads history begins from 1815, when Colonel John Stevens received road charge to build New Jersey Road Company.
Very interesting facts, Raymond. I don't know this.
I invite you to play with BRIO train. Let's go, my friend.
You live in a nice place, Raymond. So, let's play. I start the train.
I like BRIO. Woohoo! Let's connect full train.
Alright, Raymond. I do it. Also, this BRIO train can switch on headlight. Do you see it, Raymond?
Nice, cool train. I love to play with it.
Friends, we wish Raymond glad that it's a BRIO train like to you. In future you can see more interesting and colorful videos. That's don't forget subscribe to channel. Bye bye. See you.
I'd like train BRIO and you, I think. I'm waiting you train videos with you. Goodbye, boys and girls. See you.